Hello guys, I just wanted to tell you, look, there's this mode over here. I want to show you something. Here we go. Look. I'm sorry, what? Okay. Firstly, we do it right here. Then we go here and put it at 200%. Then we go in here. We put it like that. And like that. Now look at our sense. Bro! Fastest person to build a box. Shut. Yo. I can't even go out of building mode. I can't even edit this. I gotta do it like super slowly. Yo, bro, this is so hard. Dude. What is this? It's so weird. Okay, this is okay. Hey, let me do. Let me do it normal. Now I'm gonna build like a super big sky base. Just like, wait a bit, I'll edit it in the video. There. Almost there. Yeah, look now. Look at that. Let me just... No, bro, why did I fall down? That's so stupid. Okay. Okay, bro. I'm here, fine. I'm finally here again. Okay. God. Now if I'll fall, this will cost everything. Look how strange it looks. If you... I'll just destroy all that. Also, like, I like this mode. I guess, like, really cool. Sound is very... My ears hurt. Okay, don't. My ears never hurt. I'm that one guy that plays his favorite song in his headphones and on 100% volume, and it takes off his headphones, and it's like, it's okay for him. Yeah, that's me. Now I'm just messing around, but I don't care. All I need is to get this video uploaded and you'll like it. That's it. So, yeah. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Go to sleep, my little sheep. It's time to rest your head whether you're alive or dead. I am the keeper of the key that will set us all free. I bring the demon back to life.